celebrate the season with low finance and lease offers. Visit your Acura dealer or shopacura.com.
The Rikers Island Correctional Facility, one of the world's best-known jails, a gateway to hard time for some hard cases. But it was tough to find a hard heart there last Tuesday when a special holiday party reunited some of the female inmates and their children. We got such positive feedback on the story that we thought tonight would be a good time to share it with you again. Here's Melissa Russo.